This is Online Maths TV. You're welcome. And my name is Jakes Anel. And today we have another challenge. But before we go into today's challenge, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and smash the bell notification button. If you like, break it. Don't worry, YouTube is always there to provide a new one. All right, so let's go to today's class. Now, in the challenge, it reads, if 3x minus y equal to 6 and 2x plus 3y equal to 4, then what is now the value of y to the power of root 18? As you can see from this question, this is a simultaneous equation because we are having two different equations and we have to solve for the two variables in there concurrently. Hence, it is called a simultaneous equation. So let's proceed. Let's take our solution. So from here we have solution. We take the first one, which is 3x minus y equal to 6. Let's take this as our equation 1. Then we have 2x plus 3y equal to 4 as our equation 2. Now, we want to use the elimination method in solving this. And in using the elimination method, then we must make sure that either the coefficient of this, which is the x we want to eliminate, are same. Okay? So we make sure the coefficient of the variable we want to eliminate are the same. And we want to eliminate x. So we have to make the coefficient of x to be same. Okay? Or if we want to eliminate y, then we have to make the coefficient of y to be the same. Now, in this regard, let's eliminate y by making the coefficient of y to be the same. And how do we achieve that? We multiply the whole of equation 2 by the coefficient of y in equation 1, which is invisible 1. Then we multiply the whole of equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, which is 3. So equation 1. So this now implies 3 into 3x minus y equal to 6. Close bracket. Then your equation 2 we multiply by the coefficient of y in equation 1. So here we have invisible 1. So 1 into that will still give us the same equation. So we can go ahead and write 2x plus 3y equal to 4. If we go down again, this will give us 9x minus 3y equal to 3 times 6 will give us 18. Bring down your equation to 2x plus 3y or equal to 4. Good. Now, we've succeeded in making the coefficient of the variable we want to eliminate to be same. Now that they are same, we now put into consideration the signs in front of them. Here we are having a minus sign and a plus sign. And in one of my videos which I produced, it's up here. You can watch it, okay? When to add or when to subtract. I said, when the signs are different, what do? You add. But if the signs are the same, plus plus or minus minus, then you subtract. So in this place, we have to add equation 1 to equation 2. So adding equation 1 to equation 2, this will give us 9x plus 2x will give us 11x. Then minus 3 plus 3. Two of them will eliminate themselves. So automatically this and this will leave to give us 0. Then equal to 18 plus 4 will give us 22. All right. So from here, we can look for the x. Divide both sides by 11. Divide both sides by 11. So if you do this, 11, we strike out 11 at the bottom. 11 here, 1. 11 here will give us 2. So we proceed. Let's take from here. Then, so if we move down, we're going to have our x is equal to 2. Now that we've gotten our x, what is the next thing we do here? Is to look for the value of y from equation 1. So we can now say put x equal to 2 into equation 1. We have to write out our equation 1, which says 3x minus y equal to 6. So wherever we see x in equation 1, we have to put the value 2 into it. So here we now have 3 bracket 2 minus y equal to 6. We open up our bracket to give us 6 minus y equal to 6. Collect all items. So we have minus y equal to, we have invisible plugs here. And when it crosses the sign of equality, it turns to minus. So we have 6 minus 6. And you know, plug 6 minus 6 will give us 0. So since we go with 6 here. So here we're now left with minus y equal to 0. We are not looking for minus y. So for us to get the accurate value of y, we multiply both sides by minus 1. So by so doing, this will now give us y equal to 0. Of course, minus 1 times 0 will give us 0. All right. Now, let's go back to our question. It said we should find y to the power of root 18. So from here, we cannot say, therefore, y to root 18 is equal to 0, because we are going to have here 0 to root 18, which is automatically 0. So we cannot say, therefore, y to root 18, the power of root 18 is equal to 0. So this is the solution QED. Now, if you gain value from our solving, kindly drop it in the comment section. Or you have any issue, any problem, any question with regards to this solving, then drop it in the comment section. I am T. We are very good at replying comments and questions. We are here to serve you. Thank you for being there.